Hello everyone, myself Sachin. In this video, we are going to discuss about tree traversal algorithm. We have here total three traversal algorithm. These are pre-order, in-order, and post-order. Initially, we are discussing about in-order algorithm. If we talk about the in-order algorithm, first of all, we have to visit left subtree in in-order sequence. Then we have to visit the root, and finally we have to visit right subtree in order sequence. We have to follow these three sequences to solve any numerical to find out any tree traversal. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel. Also like, share and comment the video. Say this tree is given and how we can find out the in order sequence. B is here our root and we have to visit left subtree first, then root and finally right subtree. Because B is the root, we cannot traverse it first because we have to visit left subtree first. E, K, F, L is here our left subtree of B. We have to visit left subtree first. I mean E is here root of the left subtree. Therefore, further we cannot visit the E. I mean we have to visit left subtree first. For the left subtree of E is here K and L. We have to refer K. Further, we have to visit left subtree first. There is no left subtree of root K. I mean, if no option is available after left subtree, we have to visit the root. I mean, we have to visit the K of left subtree. We have visited K. After visiting K, left part not available, root we have visited. Now we have to visit right subtree. This is here our right subtree. Further, no child is available. Therefore, we are visiting here L. I mean K and L have been visited. After K and L visiting, say we are talking about this left subtree. E is the root of this left subtree and we have visited the left subtree of root E. I mean now we have to visit root. Left subtree already visited. Now we have to visit the root. This is our sequence. Root, left, initially left, then root, then right. So therefore we are visiting here root. This is here E. And after visiting this root, we have to visit here right subtree. This is here our right subtree. No further child is available. Therefore, we are visiting F. And we have visited F. I mean we have visit left subtree of root B. After visiting the left subtree, we have to visit the root. Now we are visiting the root. This is here our B. I mean left tree has been visited, root has been visited. Now we have to visit the right subtree. Further, C is the root. We have to visit left subtree first. So we are at G. No further child is available. Therefore, we are visiting G. After visiting the G, I mean left subtree of root C, we have visited. Now we have to visit root. Now I mean we are visiting C now. Now we have to visit right subtree. Further, D is the root and we have to visit left subtree first. This is here our left subtree and further H is the root. Initially we have to visit the left subtree. Therefore, we are visiting M. And after visiting M, I mean we have visit left subtree of root H. Now we have to visit the root. Left root. We have visited the root. After visiting H, we have to visit the right child, right subtree. This is here our right subtree. Further, I is the root of the right subtree. I mean we have to visit left first, but left is not available. Then we have to visit the root. We are visiting the root I. Now we have to visit the right. We have visited here J. So in this way, we can visit here our left subtree and right subtree. And finally, and this is here our left part we have visited. And after visiting the left part, our root is due. And finally, we are visiting the D. D we have visited. And no right child of D is available. So I mean our T has been finished. In this way, we can traverse the in-order sequence. If we talk about the post-order sequence, then visit left subtree first, then right subtree, and finally root. Say further same tree is given. Initially we have to visit left subtree. This is the root. This is your left subtree. We have to visit the left subtree. Further is the root. We have to visit the left subtree. This is the root. And there is no left child is available. I mean we have to visit left, then right, then root. No left is available. So we have to visit the right first. We are visiting right. L has been visited. Now we have to visit the root. Left, right, root. Now we are visiting K. I mean left part we have visited. Now we have to visit the right part, and we are visiting here F. Left part has been finished. Right part has been finished. Now we have to visit the root. Left part is finished. Now we have to visit the right subtree, and further see the root. We have to visit left subtree first, and this is here G. We are visiting G. After left subtree, we have to visit the right subtree, and D is here root of the right subtree. We have to visit left subtree first. H is here further root. We have to visit left subtree first. We are at here M. We are visiting here M. After visiting the left subtree, we have to visit the right subtree. We are at here Ij, and further I is the root, and before the root we have to visit the left subtree. No left child is available. Now we have to visit the right subtree. We are visiting here J. I mean J has been visited. Left, no left child. Right has been visited. Now we have to visit the root. We are visiting here I. If we talk about this subtree, left subtree has been visited. Right subtree has been visited. Now we have to visit the root. We have visited H. If we talk about this particular tree, left child has been visited. No right child is available. Therefore, we have to visit the root. I mean D has been visited. If we talk about this root, left child has been visited. Right subtree has been visited. Now we have to visit the root. We are visiting here root. This is C. And left subtree has been visited. Right subtree has been visited. Now we are visiting the root. I mean we are visiting the B. So in this way we can traverse the post order sequence. If we talk about the pre-order sequence, then initially visit the root, then visit the left subtree, then visit the right subtree. Further, same example is given, and B is here our root. We have to visit the root first. We are visiting the root. This is your left subtree. Further, E is the root of the left subtree. We are visiting the root first. Further, this is the left subtree, and K is the root of the left subtree. We have to visit the root first. I mean we are visiting the K. And no left is available. Root has been visited. No left is available. We have to visit the right part. We are visiting the K. I mean if we talk about this root, root has been visited. Left has been visited. Now we have to visit the right part. We have visited by F. Root has been visited. Left part has been visited. Now we have to visit the right part. C is the root of the right subtree. We have to visit root first. Therefore, we are visiting the root C. After visiting C, we have to visit the left child, left subtree, and further say G is here our left subtree. We are visiting here. After visiting G, we have to visit the right subtree, and further D is the root of the right subtree. We have to visit the root first. I mean we are visiting the D. After visiting the D, we have to visit the left subtree. This is here our left subtree, and further H is the root of the left subtree. We have to visit the root first. I mean we are visiting as first. After visiting H, we have to visit the left subtree, and we are visiting here M. This is our left subtree. After visiting the root, we have visited left. Now we have to visit the right subtree, and I is the root of the right subtree. We have to visit the root first. We are visiting I. No left child is available. Now we have to visit the right child. This is here J. In this way, we can traverse pre-order sequence. Thanking you.